Hey guys, True Grit Scott. Got another video for you. I just did that 660 video where I did a cold start on it. Well, let me get in the frame. And I got a 440 build here, and again, listen to that other video. It'll give you the background that I'm in a mud pit. It's the 6th of March. It's a beautiful day. I got somebody coming to pick up a bunch of saws today. I got 5 saws going out or whatever. And here's a 440 build. Now, this is going to be another cold start video. This is going to be different. I have the decomp plugged on these. I hate decomps. I'm not going to lie. I like them. I think that they're necessary and they'd be great. But I've had OEM steel fail, OEM husky fail. I had a buddy who just told me he had 3 OEM huskies in a row fail from the husky dealer. I'm using highway decomps on a lot of saws, and they've been okay, but all of the decomps are garbage in my opinion. You get a good one, hold on to it. If you get rid of the saw, take that decomp out, keep it. It's one of these things where it's my opinion that there's a lot of bad decomps and they just get frustrating. That's all there is to it. Decomps frustrate me. Anyhow, so this is a plugged saw, so it's going to be hard for me to set it on the ground and do a couple priming pulls on choke, so I guess I'm going to do some drop starting here because I'm not strong enough to do anything different. So I'll start it. I'll get it warmed up. I'll probably pause you so I can warm the saw up a little bit. I'll make a couple cuts, and then if you guys want, I'll find a better piece of wood to run it through. I got a 20-inch bar on it with, actually that chain doesn't look horrible to me. Shocking. Well, let's see what happens. There you go, from cold. I'm gonna pause you. You don't gotta listen to that crap. Okay guys, just save time on a video. I warmed her up a little bit and I'll start her again and make a cut here and then maybe bring you over to some better wood. Again, this is trash wood. A bunch of it I'll be milling in the dimensional in case you didn't see any of the other videos and know what's going on here. Again, this is a 440. I'll pause you. I'll take you to a better piece of wood and video just a little bit more for fun. Something to do on such a pretty darn day. Okay, guys, I walked over here. The saw should be warmed up. Let's see how we cut a little bit of a better piece of wood. before I have somebody come in to buy saws. So anyhow, don't mind me for being a puss. I think I got to the bottom, or close enough to it. Anyhow, True Grit Scott running saws. Thanks for watching.